Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoiner Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Markus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Sides with local tops, and be used to identify trend changes. All in all, Dogecoin's price is looking ready for a move higher, but it needs to recover above the $0.124 resistance barrier. However, a failure to do so could trigger a massive correction that pushes Doge down to $0.085. If the bears refuse to back down, the dog-themed crypto could retest the $0.063 support level, which would indicate a 46% crash from the current position. The second news, sentiment or not, should you bet on Dogecoin rallying soon? Since falling from its October highs, Dogecoin, Doge, kept testing the $0.162 mark multiple times, and flipped it to resistance. Since then, it has been marking lower lows until it gravitated towards the 11-cent floor. From here on, a conclusive close above its trendline support, weight, dashed, would position Doge for a retest near its EMA ribbons before a likely pullback from the 12-cent zone. Billy Markus and Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev discuss what it would take for the dog-themed crypto asset to become the currency of the internet. According to Tenev, Doge would have to maintain its low transaction fees and speed up its block time, or the time between successive blocks being added to the blockchain. Can Doge truly be the future currency of the internet and the people? I've been thinking about what that would take. First off, transaction fees have to be vanishingly small. We're already there. As of last November's update, typical transaction fees have been $0. 003 Ideally, the block time should be fast enough that the transaction can be recorded in the next block in less time than it takes to pay at a point-of-sale terminal, but it shouldn't be so fast that miners start building up too many competing chains and waste excessive amounts of energy establishing consensus. Tenev says that Doge's currency block time is 1 minute, and that needs to improve to about 10 seconds. Markus says he chose 1 minute as Doge's block time because, at Dogecoin's inception in 2013, it was the fastest available without running into $0.165, down by 5.53% in the last 24 hours. Doge 4-hour chart, since reversing from the $0.33 mark, the meme coin has declined by over 68% and plunged towards its 10-month low on 24 February. Except for a few times, the EMA ribbons refrained from undertaking a bullish flip over the last 4 months. The downslide led the alt to lose the crucial $0.1360 mark, one that the bulls upheld for over 10 months. The latest bearish engulfing candlesticks created a strong supply zone between the $0.123–$0.119 range. Furthermore, the point of control, red, and the 50 EMA would continue to pose a strong recovery barrier for bulls. Going forward, the currency and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation over the next few years, adding, weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt, and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify. It is not entirely unpredictable that you would reach that conclusion, Musk responded, referring to Saylor's large Bitcoin holdings. MicroStrategy, a decades-old software company, has pivoted to a Bitcoin acquisition vehicle over the last couple of years. MicroStrategy now holds just over 125,000 bitcoins, currently valued at about $4.8 billion. Musk has become one of the most divisive figures in the crypto community over the last year, has repeatedly called for upgrades to the meme-based Bitcoin rival Dogecoin, suggesting last year Doge could work with Ethereum to beat Bitcoin hands down. While Musk has said he personally owns Bitcoin, Ethereum and Dogecoin, it's not known how much or when he bought the cryptocurrencies. Last week, the latest U.S. inflation numbers showed consumer price inflation rocketed to a 4-decade high, as rent, fuel and food costs climbed even before Russia's invasion of Ukraine triggered a sharp rise in energy prices. On Wednesday, now we will discuss the Dogecoin price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, based on the following concept. Dogecoin is currently worth 12 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $16,144,362,591, making it the 12th most valuable coin. Okay, let's start with this year. The forecast for 2022 is as follows. Doge has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Dogecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the Dogecoin price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecasts for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you. The forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogecoin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents, expected in 2025 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Doge ranges from 50 cents to 59 cents for 2025. And finally, for those who are just curious, quick predictions for the next 3 years. Forecasts for 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Dogecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2026, Doge is expected to peak at 86 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 70 cents if the market turns bullish. Forecasts for 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Doge will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 could end with an average bid of $1.08 and a minimum bid of $1.06. The maximum bet is expected to be around $1.25. And the last forecast for today, in 2028, is that the Dogecoin price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Doge can reach $1.81 by 2028 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.56 for 2028, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2028.